Fantastic game para sa Barangay Ginebra. Gapang malala ang mga taga-barangay. Si Stan Hardinger, back-to-back Halimaw plays. At Japet Aguilar, pinaglalamon sa ilalim ang mga taga-singil ng kuryente. At si Cliff Hodge at Allen Maliksi, humihina ang voltahe. At narito ang Wild Series ng laban ng Game 5. Labanan ng Barangay Ginebra kontra sa Meralco Bolts. At kung nagustuhan mo ang intro ko, subscribe na sa aking munting YouTube channel. Libre yan para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong videos.
Coach Luigi Trillo with Banquero, Haram and Newsome.
They go wide. Tenorio. Now they'll go inside.
Let's continue here for Newsome.
Tenorio. We talked about the importance of getting off to
Sancho Haram here to start this game to defend against LA Tenorio.
what? Almazan can hit that. Inside, chop it, big slam. Quinto on the other end.
And
Has come in.
Coach Tim Cone is using Christian with 4 good outside shooters here.
Banquero. Newsome once again. Back. Looking for a shot early.
For the team and some where you don't put up your usual numbers. For Japet, whatever the circumstance.
Chris now with 5 points in the contest. It's close to launching. Here is Quinto. Falling away.
His first less of the game.
Maverick will overshoot.
They need to make them pay by getting a lot of offensive rebounds and putbacks. Nice play.
Karam long two. Now they'll set up in the half court. There is Bates once again.
That's what he does.
Wow, Bates has held his own here against C-Stan. Thompson looking for space. Pinto for 3. Signal. Right down. Everybody focus on the PBA play. Nice pocket. We go to the wing. Banquero finds Jaimisi in the ball game. Maverick with the layup. The Bolts looking for another quality shot. Maliksi's gonna get away here. Up it. Koo kicks it out. Maverick. It's here with Maverick. He keeps it. Go. They can't get the angle of the pass. Now they do. Morel will give it up. Clockwise. C-Stan might have to put this one up. Then North. Hodge the offensive rebound. Quinto for 3.
Shooters better. Gentlemen, back to you.
Once again, they give up an offense. Maverick for 3. Pringle to Stan Hardinger.
Is the reason why he is there, but he is playing with 5 fouls.
Let go. Hodge gets a 5. Pringle extra pass. Thompson for 3.
In the fourth quarter, Scotty, it's nothing but net.
From 40 from medium range. That was already a 2-possession ball game at that stage.